as glaucoma specialists, what is one lifestyle habit which is a major risk factor for glaucoma जो आप खुद भी कभी practice नहीं करेंगे and आप सबको recommend करना चाहेंगे to stay away from as much as possible?
One very important thing that we want to share with you is a lot of people are doing yogic practices which if they are glaucoma patients, they should avoid. So any glaucoma procedure in which you are bending and holding your breath will increase your pressure. Similarly, they have been told to drink a lot of water. People are drinking 4 liters of water in the morning, which suddenly shoots up the pressure and can damage the optic nerve. So if you are a glaucoma patient, please check with the person who's teaching you yoga which practices you should do and which you should avoid.
Although not a lifestyle modification, but as a rule, each of us should undergo an examination with an ophthalmologist, especially if we are beyond 35 years of age, where not only the vision is taken, but also the anterior chamber is checked whether they are prone to any glaucoma, as well as the optic nerve head is checked whether they have any chances of glaucoma. Because that is something you can keep going to an optical shop, have 6x6 vision, and you may still be ending up with an advanced glaucoma. That's why it's called the silent thief of sight.
It is, I think, mandatory to get the eye examination after 40 years. But if you have any of the risk factors of glaucoma, and most importantly, if you have a family history of glaucoma, I think you have to get your eye examination as early as possible. And then other risk factors which can lead to glaucoma are advancing age. So that is why we recommend after 40-50 years eye examination. And then any diseases which you have, systemic diseases like diabetes or hypertension, they are at high risk. If you are wearing glasses, if you're nearsightedness sighted, then you have to get your eyes examined because again they are at high risk. And most importantly, there's a lot of indiscriminate use of steroids in our country for any type of allergy, be it topical allergy or allergy in the eye or systemic allergy. They use steroids in the form of eye drops or systemic steroids, which poses a very high risk for development of glaucoma. So I think all these risk factors should be kept in mind.
There are 3 things that we must remember about glaucoma. Number 1, it has no symptoms till there is 80 to 90% vision loss. So the only way to detect is a regular examination every 2 years after the age of 40 and every year after the age of 50. Second thing is, if detected early, we have got wonderful treatment and the vision can be retained for lifelong. कोई भी blind नहीं होगा in case there is treatment is started in time. And the third thing is, in case the treatment is not done in time, then usually blindness is the eventual outcome and whatever vision is lost forever. There is no possibility of recovery by any treatment.